Hello! It's a beautiful day mga kasisiw. So, yung first video ko, shinare ko sa inyo itong DIY plastic container para sa egg incubator natin. So, meron itong 17 eggs. And I was expecting it to hatch by January 23rd to 25th. By 24th of January, may nag-hatch na siya. And then, sumunod na naman, may batch of eggs na naman na nag-hatch the next day. So, ito yung mga na-hatch from the DIY plastic container. Mga ano sila eh, 2 days old. Tapos, may mga naiwan pa. So, this morning, chinek ko kung mag-hatch pa ba sila kasi nag-lapse na eh. But then, I was really happy this morning when I check on it na pa-hatch na po sila. Yan na po yung isa. Tapos meron pa yan dyan. Ito siya, experimental stage namin to eh, kung mabubuhay ba siya at kung ano yung effect kung mabubuhay ba siya. Kasi, yung native chicken na pinalimlim namin nito, accidentally, baka nabundol niya somewhere, kaya pagkuha namin, may ganito na siya. So, titingnan natin kung successful pa rin ba kahit may ganito. Okay? This is an experimental stage. Tapos, let's check this. Check muna tayo kung may crop pa ito. Wala pa ito. So, mayroong okay. Hintayin natin yung iba kung mag-hatch pa sila. Alright, yun lang. And sana i-follow niyo po yung journey namin dito. Kasi magwa 1 month pa lang po kami by February 2023. Thank you for watching. Bye!